God damn it, what's going on? Hello, everyone. Nice to be with you again. Hope everyone is well. Let's dive directly on the eGOLD retracement waves. Can we catch the bottom? Let's figure this out together. And the MAIAR exchange is going live today, which is pretty cool. But before, the intro. All right, here we go. Just like you know, everyone, Bitcoin has a flash crash. Yesterday was pretty crazy, and now we are in a retracement for Elrond, and Elrond is doing the same exact thing that the BTC is doing. Let's dive right there too. I don't know if you see this right here. I've been over Elliott waves for the Bitcoin, and right now I see that probably is not over. Even if the Pi cycle is over, I see some upsides. But anyway, today I'm reviewing the eGOLD, and but just want to show you on a lower time frame. Where Bitcoin is doing the exact thing. We can see a retracement here. It can be A, B, C right there, and we are now, and we will be right now inside the first wave. And I'm gonna show you why I think this, but it's also possible that we have another fifth wave that's going a little bit lower, but let's dive in this. Look, same pattern here, same stuff. I don't know if you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're looking for the fifth wave, or we already have an ABC right there. And same thing for the Bitcoin. It's similar, same stuff. The eGOLD is following the Bitcoin right now. Let's see on lower time frame, because this is really complicated. Look at this. This was kind of crazy after, which was the C wave, the last push down, or this was probably the third wave, and that we are going, this will be 4 and 5 impulsive down. But if it's the case, it's possible that we are gonna make a truncated, which will not able to find a lower low than this. But I'm pretty confident that this retracement is almost over with this A, B, and C right there. But you know, it's they make it complicated right now, and but anyway, on a larger view, which I'm interested in, I can see that okay, maybe it's possible that we retrace and try to find a fifth wave, and we're gonna go very close and or make a truncated right there, or but you know, I'm pretty sure that the ABC is done. They pushed the price very far, and they took a lot of liquidity. And now let's see if we are done with this retracement. And you can see this channel right now, which is very near to be an ascending channel. It can be an ascending channel. If you go on a higher time frame, it's pretty close. You see, if I'm taking the wick and I'm not taking the body, it looks pretty close to be an ascending channel. It can be a rising wedge, but rising. If it's a rising wedge, it's not aggressive right now, and that's why I'm not considering this option. Let's dive in this, and I would like to show you that because we have the neckline right here. neckline of this W, huge W that we have. And we're kind of having cup and handle, but reverse on the left side a little bit. Don't know if you see that, but it looks like this. Not the best one. Look, sorry. Wow, this looked like a cup of coffee. You don't think so? It's beautiful, beautiful stuff. And the neckline will be here. Okay, that's a possibility, but usually cup and handle are more straight. That's why I'm not considering this, and we had all this retracement here. But it was probably the idea before the flash crash. But anyway, this will give us, if it's playing like this, we can play the game like that and try to bring something like near the target that I'm showing. If we break out here or here, here, you see we are right on 385, 386. For sure, Mike's gonna take some time to gain momentum and go back on the upside, but I'm pretty confident that we will do. Not sure that Bitcoin is ready to crash all the way down right now, but it's possible. But right now, in my counting, I don't see Bitcoin crashing right away. I think is about to end wave 4 retracement. It's the main wave of the huge cycle wave that we have here that we probably try to find the third wave of it. But anyway, I'm back to Elrond right here. And just want to try to figure out destination for this wave 3. Let's do that together. Okay. Let's pretend that this is the C wave and that we already retrace. Let's do that and let's grab the bottom of this here, wave 2. Which is this one is 0. I'm trying to find a third wave, a probable target for a third wave for the yellow one right here. Okay, we have those FIBO extension 335. We have 200 right here and 261 that are probable, and for sure the 361, but let's be realistic right now, and let's play that game with some reality. Right here I try to find some correlation. Hope my mic is working. Yeah, I think I'm okay. Oh, all right. Bottom of the white one, 0, top of 1, bottom of 2. And let's see, we have this correlation right here, which coincide with a possible target for me. Let's put a line right there to keep a trace of that. A great exit point will be 334. Maybe some people, hey, you're crazy, man. Do you really think we're going to go at $334? Look at that. We're crashing right now. Okay, let's talk in 3 weeks and let's see. Let's see where we are. Maybe we're going to be at $40. I don't know. But you know, I'm showing you the bullish scenario right now, and I'm gonna show you the bearish one after if you wanna see it for sure. But don't quit my video if I show you the bearish scenario. Okay, that's cool. And this will be for sure a possible target for if it's if we have a the possibility to just gonna take this out. This was for this one here and this one here. Okay. Let's pretend that we're gonna go right there, which I have a perfect correlation. This is perfect. Wow, I like this. I'm gonna put another color for this one because it's kind of hard to follow. Which one is the good one for? All right, let's put this in blue. Okay, cool. Here we go. Much easier to follow. Okay, if logically, if we are gonna go at this point right here on the third wave at $384, this one must go a little bit lower. And the 161 is right at 335, which is very probable for this kind of wave, intermediate wave. And let's see, now I'm doing this pretty fast. But this retracement was crazy strong. It's why we're probably going to have a small wave 4 retracement. This is going to be so small. And we can expect, this fifth wave to be almost the same length. And here we go. It's a perfect target for me. I really like this correlation right now at 384. But I don't want to be FOMO. I don't want to be FOMO right now. I'm just playing this bullish scenario that I see, that I like. And this is technically really possible. I don't see any better correlation right now, and it's like the chart is speaking to us right now. The chart is saying 385, 384. You gotta exit before this, okay? And don't swing this here. Please don't swing this. I don't want you to swing this to. I'm gonna sell at 335, and I'm gonna buy back at 329. No, don't do this. It's not the best way to make money. I'm telling you, you better not sell this right here to try to catch the wave 4. Let's see. Possible target for retracement of this one. Okay, 036, 024, 0. Let's pretend that we're 271. 271 maybe, but not sure. Throw this one, 285 will be, but they can push a little bit, further and do this kind of retracement. But personally, I will not play this because of this retracement right there. And this one was pretty strong too. It's why this wave 4, sorry, but it's not gonna be very strong. And after that, we should have something like this. It's a prevision. Technically, it's very probable. Let's figure out if we are on target right here. Retracement for this one. Let's take this out to see a little bit better. 0.3 or 0.3 or 0.26. But this one can be a little bit stronger to 0.382 because we were, I think, we had a strong retracement, but on the golden fib. Let's see. Right on the golden fib. It was a strong retracement for this wave 2. But not, this one was not as crazy. That's why I'm pretty sure that we can come around here at 281. It's you know, something like this, but not sure. 0.3 probable too. Is 0.5 is probable? Uh, yes, maybe we're gonna try to test this top here, right there. It's why I will be more aggressive to sell, you know, to exit around that price here at around maybe 378 or $380, to try to put my entries on those Fibos for this retracement of wave 4 here. Is it possible that we come down here on the golden fib? It's possible too. It's why we never know. You know, if Bitcoin decide to crash on this wave, it's possible that we make a wick like we Elrond love to do. I think Binance dump here to buy CZ. Damn, I don't like him. Damn, the CZ. They hold too many eagles. We need to buy back and everything. Okay, good place to exit. 375, 378, 380. Play safe. You know, try to exit a little bit before. And after that, you're gonna place your Fibo, and you're gonna try to figure out. You're gonna place buying orders on this fib, right at 2 and those two fibs right there will be less probable for me, but in between 0.3 and 0.5 usually you everything is way for love to go in between those lines. It's why you know, this will be probably the bet. You can put a bigger percentage here. This one too. This one it's okay. Maybe example you put 15% here, 20, 20, 20, something like this. You know, and when we a great tricks to catch those retracement is to find your moving average. Moving average that I created. Also, you want to see them, and now they're kind of far away, but you can imagine those moving average moving with the price, and you will find some moving average around, and you try to find some correlation between moving average on different time frame and your Fibo. Usually they try to go where the most of the liquidity is, and you have always liquidity and buying orders right on the moving average for sure. Moving average 50, moving average 21, moving average 7, 9, and now that's moving average 7 and 9 on the weekly for Elrond is right there. And those two moving average are big support, big time support. Usually, you know, a lot of liquidity are there, and we saw that everything was bought very quickly here. Big support right there. It's why you know, it's possible that we'll come test this moving average 21, but it's maybe a little bit too earlier in my opinion. And on the 5-day, you see we grab liquidity on this moving average 21. We grab all the liquidity too on the moving average 21 on the 4 days, and you know, right there was the target of the market makers. 128. Exact moving 2-day moving average 50. Anyway, all right, and the daily chart is useful too. We had the moving average 100 that was tested quickly, And now we are in between the moving average 21 and the moving average 50R. We're going to come test this moving average 50 again and try to grab the liquidity. It depends how Bitcoin, what Bitcoin's going to do. Now what happened is that there was too many, how you call that in English? I'm gonna grab my application for, I don't remember the name in English. It's yeah, futures. A lot of futures. Too many liquidity. Too many people's were on a long, and they liquid them. It happens. It was a flash liquidation, and they took. I think let's go on Cointelegraph. How much they took. I think they took a couple of 100, something like this. Flash crash. Let's go on Google. Flash crash Bitcoin. 10 billion. Woo. It's a lot of money. Crypto flash crash wipe. 300 billion in less than 24 hours. That's a lot of money. But it happens. And anyway, if I'm right and Bitcoin is trying to find the bottom of 4 right here for this one, they took advantage of this, and the things is that this wave 2 was very small. It's possible that we're are gonna go lower, maybe. Not sure about this, but if it happens, it happens anyway. You will be to buy. It will be possible to buy Elrond much lower if it happens. And for sure, we're gonna have this wave 5 that I didn't count or test. I put that really quickly. Don't look at this. I didn't check already. And this is it, guys. Let's take a quick dive on the MACD. Also, I just want to tell you something quickly. Okay, and one of the tricks that I like, I'm gonna make a copy of this because it's cool if you can learn something new every day. Some people were asking me how I can find support, and I am having some trouble to find support, and I need some help. One of the tricks I like is to go on the monthly chart and try to find those candles right here, those cross, close and opening. Those always. This is a big support. When you see a close like this, 2 candles very close one each other, it's and you also can find them on the 2-week if you want. See a little bit clearer now. We have double right there. Those are a great support to consider. I like these tricks, and it's always confirmed by the Fibonacci retracement. If you take this higher top and you go right here, let's see what the Fibs is telling us. We're really close. We have the 0.3 right there, 0.38 right here, 0.5, and the golden Fib. And on the lowest point, yeah. Also, one other tricks to that I really love is to use the Renko. Renko is the best tool, one of the best tool to find support. You see 2-week right now, you'll find support right there. You'll find I'm talking about big support right now. Okay, you see those are very cool to figure out. And if you go on a lower time frame, you you will get more exactitude. You know, you see that we have some support right there. We have some support here. We have some support here. We have some support there. Okay, really, really cool to figure out. Now the biggest support that we have is around $41,000. Let's go on lower time frame this, and you see it's pretty cool to see. For Elrond, we're gonna have to go on a lower time frame to figure out move. If you can combine those tricks, right now we see that Elrond is having a support right here. Was big support right there. Another support here. When you see two candles together, it's yeah. But now and at the inverse, you will get resistance up there on top. You can figure out, you know, where resistance are. Right there. Here we go. Resistance up here too. Okay. We have resistance at 195, and we remember why we struggled so much on at that point. It's funny. And yeah, you know, closest support, I mean, big support will be around here. And we have this here too. Those two candles right there. Okay. If you see that Bitcoin is crashing, this is a really dangerous place for Elrond right here. If we go lower, there's no support for a while. It's why if you see that Elrond is going much lower and is going under support, you're better place your orders on a lower point. And now lower point will be see $0.930. We have $42, 57, 72, 72. Really cool. You see that moving average 21 on the 20. Moving average here, going lower than $108 will be tough. They will have a hard time to bring the price lower than this, because the moving average 21 is on the weekly is a pretty big support. But if they go there and they want to test this, they're gonna grab the liquidity on the golden fib right here, for sure. It's why you need to try use your brain and to try to find correlation. On the 2 week, we have a moving average 7 and 9 here. Okay, if you see, we can see right now that we add a cross in between moving average 7. Those are bearish cross. And I told you when you are on the daily and you see this kind of cross, it's never good, which means it's an exit spot. Exit spot, and you need to find the best place to. After this, you need to find the best places to put your entries. And on a shorter time frame here. Okay, we see that we are gonna go probably retest this golden fib at 165 right there. And do they gonna try to grab those moving average at the same time? But for now, this is a wave. This is 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, and we didn't make a lower low. It's why right now this is a 1-2. It's a brand new wave inside 5 huge impulsive waves. Okay, and let's dive quickly on the bearish chart. Where's that bearish chart? Is this my bearish scenario? I don't know if I change it. 1, 2. No, this is not the good one. This is an old one. Let's see. Anyway, the bearish scenario is pretty simple, and I'm gonna show it to you. Is that the scenario for me would be that we just finish the first wave, super cycle wave, and that we are trying to find this second wave of the super cycle. It will be a super cycle retracement. Okay. This is a possible scenario because right here, I'm going to show you on the RSI. I'm on the DD. Yeah, perfect. Okay. We have this bearish divergence here, right there, that is joining this 2-point right. And don't know if you see well, the price had a rise, and the RSI had created a lower high, which let me think that this was the fifth wave, and it's why I didn't like too much that scenario the first time, but this is possible that this was here a wave 4 retracement and a wave 5 right there. And not sure yet, but we have to take this scenario in consideration, and I'm gonna place this pretty quickly, but it will be I know that we had wave 4, wave 5. Let's see. Just want to show you that quickly in a smaller color. You see, it will be like this, and this will be the end of the first wave of the super cycle first wave, and now we're trying to find the second wave. But if this happened, it's because the Bitcoin is going in a bear market. This is what I think. Do we have to consider this scenario? Yes, it's why always try to keep some liquidity for those bearish scenario, to put some entries on a Fibonacci line. And if we take this scenario in consideration right now, and we are trying to find a price target to put entries, to buying orders, we're gonna have to take this one at 0.5. We're gonna have to take this one on the golden fib, and every little single Fibonacci right there. Even 0.95 you can. It's why you have to be logic. If Bitcoin is going to crash in a bear market and is going to, I don't know, 20,000, 16,000, we're probably gonna come in that zone. But now they are opening every scenario. It's why this can be a great spot for handing a second wave, a super cycle second wave. It's why, you know, we have to take in consideration this bearish scenario, and in consideration that this wave 2 can be over too already, because we touched the 0.5 fib, but it can be go lower, and for sure you will find liquidity at $98. All right, this is the bearish scenario. If we are trying to figure out targets, if we are in that scenario and the retracement is over, we're gonna have something like this for the third wave. I'm telling bearish scenario, but if we are in that scenario, it's probably gonna be very bullish. I see this wave 3 going maybe to the 361 at near $1,000. This will be a realistic scenario for me, because the length of this wave 1 is pretty long, and I don't see a third wave closing there, and a third wave even smaller than a first wave. I don't believe this is why this will be at least a target for me around $1,000. And this can happen in 2021. I'm telling you, this is possible. This is possible, and if everything's turned bullish and Bitcoin is going in a fifth wave and making some extension to $100,000, it's possible. Well, I hope you like the video. A little bit too long again, but if you can smash the like or leave me a comment, much appreciated, guys. Really, thanks for following me and being here. Leave me a comment, an asset that you would like me to go over. I have Voyager that I want to do soon. And anyway, hope you like. Wish you the best of the best. Have a wonderful Sunday.